Welcome back everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to display 1 to 9 and 4 7 segment display at the same time. I will give you the source code, design files also. Let's begin.
Last time you have built a model with a microcontroller in it, okay? And this time we just need to replace LEDs with segment display. I told you the name, how to pick the 7-segment display from the library, okay? Let's show that. Then you can do it yourself. Lab 3. Now we need to go to the component mode. Okay, click here, component mode, and click pick from library. The name for 7-segment display is the 7 SEG. 7 SEG. Okay, you can find a lot of things. Okay, you need to pick. You can see COM anode. Can you see that? AN means anode. CAT means cathode. Okay, you can pick, and there is a description here. Okay, you can pick one. Here, and you can also pick the CA or CC1 by using a combination of 4. Okay, here you can see 4 7-segment display, right? Together, and 1 2 3 4 means the common pins, and each display has one common end, right? And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, P are the segment line. Okay, so because we need to use 4, it's better pick 4 this combination. Okay, and you can select a blue one, okay, or a red one. Yeah, you can decide it yourself. Okay, and you can use, we can use our microcontroller, right? It's better, use the lab 2 model and save as a new one, save it as a new one and change it. Okay, change it to, don't need to build the microcontroller part. We just need to, for example, if you want to use P1 to control it, if you want to use P1 to control it, you can just directly remember that DP is the MSB. Okay, so we need to connect P1.7 to DP. P1.6. We also need 4 more pins to control the common end, okay? If you, because we use the four 7-segment display to display the same numbers, so you do not need to control each of them, okay? So we just need to, this is a, let me check, okay? Common anode one, okay? Common anode one, you have to connect the common end to power, okay? So we use the power. All 4 should be connected to power, okay? Okay. This is the connection. You already finished it, okay? All the other part, you just, use the old one from lab 2, okay? If you want your microcontroller to work, you need to use some external components like oscillators, the reset circuits, okay? I just want to show the connection between 7-segment display and your microcontroller, okay? The command and this part. So you just need to send. Remember that you need to use P1. Okay, when you in the example I just show you, I defined P0 for controlling the microcontroller, right? But now if you use P1, you need to change P0 to P1. Okay. And another thing that you need to confirm is, remember that you need to use CC code, okay? There are 2 types for the microcontroller. And one is CC, another one is CA. Now we use CA, so you need to use CA code to display the numbers, okay?
This is the full C language file to control display. Convert this C file to hex file and add it to microcontroller. This is the full circuit design. Follow our Lab 1 video for all. Let's run.